Hey, welcome to my house, friends! Let's start from the bedroom, and the most interesting part is here. I love my big bed and I love looking at myself in the mirror. I also have my guitar here. Let me play for you. This is my living room. Time for Netflix and chill here. Here is my tree where I have lots of toys and I usually cuddle with my bunny here. I love my big window, it brings so much light. I love watching sunsets and I exercise here too. If you watch my stories, you probably know. The next one is kitchen/dining room. My yellow bar chairs make me so happy and they match with my salt and pepper smileys. I usually cook a lot here and I really love cooking, but I hate washing dishes. But I have to. I love this towel that says the best wines are the ones we share with friends. Now we're in my business spot. I work from home here. Nothing really special in the restroom. No privacy at all. That's it. Thanks for coming. Love you. Kiss you. Angel.